Look at this sauce. Look at this gravy. Look at all of this. Look at these chicken feet. Look at them. Look at them. On today's episode of the Jamaican cooking journey, I'll be sharing with you a little long time. I've not cooked this in the longest while. I'll be making for you today some curry chicken foot. But I want to pause right here to say special thanks to my patrons. Special thanks to the new people coming on to the Jamaican cooking journey page. And a special thank you to those who have been here holding the fort with me from the beginning, and you're still here. On to the curry chicken foot. Yeah man, so it was nothing hard. So we have on some chopped onions. I'm putting some onions because I need a little extra moisture. You know, so the chicken foot, I just mostly bone, but that's collagen thing that we have in there. And this is how I have cooked my chicken. I've cut them like this. I'm kind of just burst the bone right here, so making it easier to cook right here and right in here. So we have some chicken foot, a frozen scotch bonnet that have been thawed, scallions, and I've put my little choppy seasoning and stuff on it and all of that. Right here I am going to be chopping for you 5 pegs of the garlic right there, some pimento seeds, of course. Okay, now so my garlic has been in, my pimento seeds are going in. Crushed pimento seeds, freshly crushed pimento seeds, because this thing here, you know, it needs a whole heap of seasoning. I have put in some salt already, and I am going to be sprinkling about a tablespoon of oil onto this. Okay, remember to cook your curry in white. Why? It's the easiest colored garment to get curry stains from. All you gotta do, just put it out in the sun in a little water, or better yet, just wet the garment, put it to the direct sunlight. There you go. That's how you take care of your curry stains. So let us get into this right here. We are rubbing up our chicken, curry chicken foot. Way to go. This is what I'm doing, right? So my oil is here, my chicken foot. Just as I season it, so will I be putting it in there. Okay, nice little sizzle going on. And this is one of my favorite. If you know, you know. If you don't, then you actually don't. Make sure you get some nice curry, you know. Make sure you get good curry, but it's gonna catch me a little water in here, and I'll show you next what I do. I just rinsed my glove with all this niceness, and I'm gonna be throwing it around to the, trying to keep it to the side. I normally say to you, don't throw your water directly onto the meat. I hope you saw when the water directly catched that piece of chicken foot, how it turned it, wash the curry right off it. That's why I always tell you, keep it to the sides. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna leave it right there. We have a little piece of scallions here in this cast iron enamel. Turn it down to the lowest heat. The next 15 minutes we will return. Chicken foot is not anything hard to cook, and you might want to say, how did you not show us from the beginning? I have videos there that I showed you dead in depth. The only video I have not showed you to date is how to really clean that strip from the chicken foot, but someday I'll show you. Okay, I've showed you how to remove the nails. I showed you how to cut it on several videos. Today I'm just going to show you how I will be making some curry chicken foot. So fam, we are going in for the very first time. Wow, this is so pretty. So you see our juice is in there. Look at this. Wow, so pretty. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Look at this. Look at this. Very first time we're going in. So I'm gonna just give it a nice stir from the bottom and up to the top. So you see, when you cut your chicken foot in 3, when you cut your chicken feet, them So when you cut it in 3, this is what it looks like. It cooks easy, and when it's cooked, it's relaxed. You know, you cut it like this, it doesn't take long to cook. So I did not prepare hot water though, so what I'm going to be doing at this point, I'm going to be making a little hot water. You can see, say, right, so the chicken foot them start cook already. So you see how them just come down? Yeah, man. So the curry rich, I'm going to be having a feast, I tell you, baby. So fam, look at this. We are in. Look at this slow cook. Look at this. So we are in for the very second time. I have tasted, and let me tell you, you can just look, camera girl, you shoot them up good and just make them see what is happening. You don't have to ask if this chicken foot is on point. Remember, I told you, we are white. Whilst you're stirring, if it spills, that's okay. It may look very terrible now that the curry catch it, but taking care of it is the easiest thing. Just in a little water, wet the garment, put it out in the sunlight. We are white. Use white. Me, I use white pot. All right, now I've got some hot water, and I'm gonna be putting just like about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of water in this, and I'll not be coming back until I am ready to look at it. You see the hot water? The temperature stays up. So this is what I'll be doing. I will not be coming back, and make sure that everything is good at the bottom, giving it that final stir, leaving it down. When I look at my chicken feed, I know, or my chicken steppers, I know that this water will take it down to finish cooking, and also to having that nice gravy. As you know, when it is properly cooked, it has this nice thick gravy with all that collagen from the chicken feet. And look here, when you see me next, I'm gonna have some of this plate up for you. And you know, in the meantime, in between time, you're supposed to go get some twice washed white rice. If you don't know, I leave for you the link to that video where I show you how to cook the rice. Take off the only starch, heavy starch, and enjoy a chicken foot with some white rice. So this is where we are at, fam. It starts sticking in the bottom of the pot, and as I always say to you, that's when you know your meat, your soup, your everything is ready. But we're gonna do one little thing. We're gonna put just this small amount of butter right there at the top, and we're gonna turn our flame off because our chicken foot is ready. Look at this. Look at this sauce. Look at this gravy. Look at all of this. Look at this chicken feet. Look at them. Look at them. Let me tell you, this is what is the best right here. Curry chicken foot, Jamaican style. Look at where we came from when we first put it in there. Look at that. Look at where we came from. Look at how it has receded. Look at that. What beauty there is. Make yourself some chicken foot, curry chicken foot, some stewed chicken foot. Chicken foot, not when they cook soup, it is good. Look at this, and it's not all mashed away. This is good. I played up some just for you in the next clip. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your palate, and most of all to your stomach. It is curry chicken foot. I served it up with a little white rice. You could do some pasta. You could do whatever you want. And if you're a cucumber lover, add some crunchy cucumbers to your curry chicken foot and your white rice or whatever. The cucumber, the green crunchy cucumber, enhances that collagen. And you let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.